You say you want an elite mindset, but right now, your habits don't match your goals. Your focus breaks too easily. Your discipline disappears when things get hard, and deep down, you know it. You don't lack potential. You lack structure. You lack standards. Every day you wake up with good intentions. Every night you go to sleep knowing you could have done more. You scroll. You delay. You escape into comfort. Hours disappear, weeks disappear, and nothing changes. You tell yourself you're figuring it out, but the truth is, you're avoiding discomfort. An elite mindset is not something you're born with. It's built day by day, choice by choice, and it starts with one brutal truth. No one is coming to save you. Not motivation, not the perfect opportunity, not some future version of you. If you want to build an elite mindset in 30 days, you must become obsessed with ownership. You are responsible for your body. You are responsible for your focus. You are responsible for your future. For the next 30 days, you stop negotiating with yourself. You wake up when you say you will. No snooze, no excuses. You train your body even when you feel tired. You protect your mornings like they are sacred. No phone first thing. No distractions. You build a simple routine and you follow it, not when you feel like it, but especially when you don't. An elite mindset is built through controlled discomfort, cold showers, hard workouts, deep work sessions without music, without notifications, sitting alone with your thoughts instead of escaping them. You teach your brain that hard is normal, that discomfort is safe, the discipline is your identity. At first, it will feel forced. You will want to quit after a week. Your mind will say, "This is too much. Skip today. Start again tomorrow." That voice is the old you, and this is the moment that decides everything. Every time you act despite resistance, you lay one brick of self-respect, one brick of confidence, one brick of mental strength. After 10 days, you feel clearer. After 15 days, you feel sharper. After 20 days, people notice something different. Your posture changes, your eyes look focused, you speak with more certainty. Why? Because you kept promises to yourself. That is what creates an elite mindset. Not hype, not quotes, proof. Proof that you can do hard things. Proof that you don't run when it gets uncomfortable. Proof that you control your impulses. By day 30, you are not perfect, but you are dangerous. You think before you react. You move with intention. You waste less time. You tolerate less nonsense. You no longer trying to feel motivated. You operate on standards. And here is the real transformation. You stop asking, "Do I feel like it?" You start asking, "Who am I becoming?" Because elite is not a mood, it's an identity. An identity is built through repetition. So decide right now, for the next 30 days, you go all in. No half effort, no secret shortcuts, no waiting for the perfect moment. You wake up earlier, you train harder, you focus deeper, you speak less and execute more. 30 days from now, you can either look in the mirror and see the same person or someone unrecognizable. The choice is not next week, not tomorrow. It is today. Start.